Okay, so we're still working in the creative process unit, but you have an opportunity now to finally do like an art project on your own, and I'm going to make sure that you're good for all the stages. But what's good is that you already now know how to do your idea boards, you know how to use your black books, and you know how to post everything on your digital portfolio with your reflections. So now all of those stages, the idea boards, your black book, and your digital portfolio, all of those will be incorporated in every project that we do. So the project that we're going to be starting on is called a Zentangle Portrait. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, that's okay. Let me show you some stuff now. So again, it may seem like there's a lot of steps in this project, but I just sort of chunked everything in short parts just to make sure that everybody can work at their own pace and understand what we're doing. So now is my part of the creative process. It's my job to sort of get you pumped up on what we're doing. So this project that we're working on now, it's called a Zentangle Portrait project. So I'm introducing kind of what we're doing generally here to get you all set up. So what we're going to do is basically we're designing a portrait of someone that you admire. So before you start freaking out thinking, oh, I can't draw people, don't worry. We're going to create a stencil of somebody from a photograph, and then we're going to trace it. So don't freak out about the drawing people part. In terms of the hair and the clothing and things like that, we're going to be adding patterns to that. So the patterns that you choose is going to bring the creativity to your portrait. So also in this lesson, what's important, and especially for the street art portion of it, is I'm going to teach you how to make a stencil from a photograph, and we're going to be using a program online for that. And then we're going to learn how to use Zentangles and what the heck they are, and really learn how to use them to add them to the portrait. And then I'm going to teach you how to make a digital image of your Zentangle portrait and how to color it in on the computer. All of these things, I promise, are super easy, and I'm going to walk you through them. So for this project, you're going to need a pencil, an eraser, and you each have a fine tip permanent marker in your art kit. And if I'm missing it, I forgot to put one in there for you, let me know, and I'll do that for you. Tracing paper, which you have, a ruler, your black book, and a light table. Now, in class, I have light tables that you're welcome to borrow, and I've got enough for everybody, but also don't worry if you're working from home, because I can show you how to use your laptop as a light table. So again, you have everything that you need to do this project. So all the different things that we're going to be doing in this project to create our Zentangle portrait is we're going to do a technical exercise. So you know how to do Zentangles. Of course, to start off the project, you're going to make an idea board. I'm going to show you how to create a stencil from some of your ideas on your idea board. I'm going to show you how to trace your image, both with a light table and with your computer. I'm going to show you how to start to add your designs or your Zentangles. I'm going to show you how to upload it, your image to the computer, so we can use some digital drawing and painting tools, and we're going to color it in on the computer, and it's going to look really cool. And then of course we're going to post your image and your technical exercise and your idea board on your digital portfolio and do a reflection. So I'm going to walk you through all these things, but that's generally what we're going to do. Okay, so let's get started, and let's start talking about what do I mean, what is a Zentangle, and that's going to be in your next